as the sound of Lady's magic echoed through the night on Muffled Mountain. The engines on Sodor had her very much in their thoughts.
See how the night sky glows. See the light from the night train, the fire glow from the night train. On down the line he goes. On down the line he goes. All through the night he goes. Hear the sound of the night train, the chug-a-chug-chug of the night train. Hear how his whistle blows. Hear how his whistle
Thomas, I was thinking, how does Mr. Conductor travel here?
By gold dust.
But if there's a lost engine, maybe there's a lost railway too. Mr. Conductor's railway.
The journey gets bumpier and bumpier. That's what Mr. Conductor told me.
Oh, he talked about buffers in his sleep. Buffers are at the end of a railway. I think that's how he travels here, on a secret railway.
Belonging to the lost engine. Percy, you are clever. Ooh, my wheels are suddenly feeling very wobbly. I think Diesel's around here.
I'm sorry, you two. Diesel heard every word you said.
Oh, no.
I'm going after him to see what he does next. You'd better carry on and get the mail delivered.
Oh, you're very brave, Toby.
Oh, Diesel won't bother with an old engine like me. He thinks I'm really useless.